Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright guys, in this video I want to be teaching you guys a working strategy. A strategy that works, that has 85% accuracy. Alright, if you guys notice, I've been dropping different videos on strategies that works because I want many of my Telegram subscribers, or many of my friends, many people that follows me on social media, that are still in the will I say stage one of forex trading. Because like I will always tell you, there are two stages in forex trading. We have the first stage, the stage one, which is for the beginners, and we have the stage two, which is for the advanced. Now, if you are in the stage one level, you would always be dependent. You will always need signals. You always need somebody to give you signals, because you don't really know how to spot entries, when to buy, when to sell, or when not to buy and when not to sell. All right, so without wasting much time, in this video I want to be teaching you another simple strategy that works. As you can see, all my entries are in profit. I'll show you. This is my MT4. I'll show you my MT5, also profit. Now, what is this strategy? Let me show you. This is the strategy. It's called currency strength meter. Very easy, very simple, but many of us are not really giving this guy the attention because we feel it doesn't work. Many of us just want to plot our chart, show that yes, we know how to plot chart and all that, all those buga and serene. You don't need it. Do you understand? They work, no doubt. And like I will always tell you, no strategy is 100% accurate. Now look at, this is currency strength meter. You can go on Google and search for currency strength meter. This is currency strength meter from Baby Pips. There are different other other websites that also offer currency strength meter. So it doesn't necessarily have to be this. So once you just type currency strength meter, just click on any of them. It works. Now, if you check, USD is number one. USD is doing well. CAD is doing well. Also, JPY is doing well. AUR is doing well. CHF is doing well. Now, if you check the last three, AUD, GBP, and NZD, these three aren't doing well. So if I want to take a trade from this, since USD is the one that is doing well, what do I want to do? I want to sell GBP to USD, because if you check the currency pair, it's always GBP USD, AUR USD. There is nothing like USD GBP. If there's something like USD GBP, I would have bought USD to GBP. But since it's GBP USD, now I sold GBP to USD because GBP is not doing well. USD is doing perfectly well. So most of all the pairs that are attached to USD, I am actually selling them. So I sold. Let's see. This is it. I sold GBP USD and it's in profit. Let's check here. I sold AUR USD. Let's see where AUR USD is. AUR USD is also down. I sold AUR USD. I sold GBP USD here too on my MT4. And I bought USD CHF. Now, USD is the first currency pair coming with CHF. So I have to buy, because if you check CHF is even almost red. Can you see? So most of the pairs that are connected to USD, those are the pairs that I am actually buying USD, because USD is doing perfectly well. This is very, very simple. Now I'm teaching you simple steps. Simple steps. You don't need to flood your chart with many indicators and all that. I'm not saying they don't work. They work because I do that. If you check the last video I posted, I taught you guys on how to use the support and resistance, and also the 200 moving average crossing and all that. So because in this business, or if you are a professional forex trader, or you want to become a professional forex trader, you must have to learn different strategies. You can't be tied to one strategy, because or like I said, strategies are not 100% accurate. So when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different strategies that works, that have 80% accuracy, you can actually use them together to get perfect entries. All right. So that is that. It's as simple as that. Currency strength meter. You check. Once you check, you use that, and as you can see, this is a proof. I don't know what other proof you need. This is a proof that it works. All right, it's a proof that it works. So it's very, very simple. Just search for currency strength meter and use anyone. If you want to use this baby peeps, no problem. I just love the UI UX, the design, no problem. So you trade, always buy the strongest currency pair. Do you understand? Now, like I said, it's not always going to be accurate. Do you understand? But so far so good using this currency strength meter. 85% accuracy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and this is just a proof that it works. So thank you very much, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would implore you to subscribe to my channel. If you want content like this, just subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you guys content so that you can be self-sufficient, needing no aid or support. You can be at the comfort of your home, making massive profit. All right, so like this video, share this video. If you have friends who are into forex trading and they need strategies on how to trade, you can share these videos to them, this video to them rather. Thank you very much, guys.